Daniel went on a hair and bought a DK1
Yeah.
wild hair and was like, I got to get one of these. And then
I,
he did a video on it.
I bought a DK1 and then I bought a DK2. I've not done a video on that yet. And then Preston got me another DK2. So I think
It
our
was a
collection is
donation.
complete. I'm trying to think about Preston. I've been trying to deal with this for like the last, I don't know how many weeks. But ever since I got on this journey of getting a DK1, a working one, and a working DK2, um, what is the video angle there? Like, is it comparing every quest? But they're not all quests. Like, you wouldn't say that the Oculus Go is a quest or the DK1's a quest, but you wouldn't say that the Quest 3 is an Oculus. So, all right, comparing every Oculus progenitor. Comparing all of Palmer Luckey and John Carmack's progeny. I don't know. I don't know how you frame that. I don't know how you say that in a simple sentence. And better yet, what are you comparing really? Because there's things that just aren't comparable. Like the Quest 3 is not comparable to the DK1. So is it an influence thing? I mean, when we talk about units sold, like the Quest 2 is always going to be the most. Like
Yeah.
the are we talking about but are we talking about influence on the industry? The Quest 2 versus the DK1, the Rift versus the Quest 3, like I don't know. I don't know how to compare those things in any sort of way. It would almost be better as like a history video. Like here's where we started, here's where we're at, here's how we got from here to here and why these changes were made. Almost like Iron Man suits. It's like,
Yeah.
well, the DK1 didn't have a way to do positional tracking. So the DK2 they added that. And then by the time
Yeah.
they got to the CV1, they added this. And then the CV1 had these features. So, when we went to the Rift S, we had inside out tracking. And then the Quest 1 was, like standalone Rift S, basically. Like yada, yada, yada. So,
Well, Ani was saying something about each the steps each gained resolution, refresh rate. So like you're saying, so
yeah,
you're getting to see, okay, what do we increase this headset? So and then
yeah,
just see the progression.
right.
So that's a good idea. I like that idea.
There's going to be some that are steps back too, because you go
Well,
from like the Quest 3 to the Quest 3S and it's like everything got worse. So, except for a couple things that stayed the same. It's a budget headset. We give it a hard time, but
it is a budget. It's funny. I've been playing on it recently on that Xbox 3S
yeah.
edition. It fits in my glasses really well. I have really no issues with that. And the Wi-Fi chips on it, it's better because I'm casting. When I've been doing some more streaming, I'm casting on that. And I don't know if there's that much of a difference, but I feel like I'm just giving myself a leg up because it's got the Wi-Fi 7 chip in it. So I'm casting to my network so that I can stream. So
Yeah.
I don't know. I like using it personally. It's cool looking too.
Yeah.
Can't
You're
wait till they come up with the 3 version of it.
you're really not doing a good job of shilling for those multi-$1,000 headsets right now. You're
Yeah.
telling me that you have a Play for Dream and a Pimax Crystal Super
I
and you stream on a Quest 3S.
Yeah.
What
I'm
kind
for
of
the people.
what kind
I'm
of content creator are you?
I'm for the people. For the people.
No,
Yeah.
I mean, I made a video about that a few months ago. It's like I've got all these nice headsets, but I play on the Quest 3 all the time. Like if I'm going to pick up a
Oh.
headset and go play, it's going to be on the Quest 3. So,
You know what I get really frustrated with too, and a lot of people. I've talked about this all the time, but my glasses. I wear my glasses all the time, and I can't just go jump into the big screen beyond 2. I have to go. I'm gonna have to go either put my contacts on or I have to go buy the lenses, which is like $90. And then same with like the Quest 3 and like even the Valve Index. I'd like to play on those things more. I need like the lenses. Oddly enough, I didn't tell you, but I bought some lenses for the Quest 3 and the Valve Index yesterday. So I'll get them in the next 2, hopefully next week or 2. And I'll
yeah.
see how with my prescription, we'll see how it goes.